Today on Engineering Newswire, we're flying the world's fastest production drone, hitting up some gnarly waves with an inflatable electric surfboard, and zooming through airports on a motorized carry-on. A Utah-based company claims to have the world's fastest production drone. The lightweight quadcopter known as Teal is reportedly able to reach speeds of up to 85 miles an hour. However, there's a catch. The top speed can only be reached with a high-performance battery that provides just 10 minutes of flight. A bigger endurance battery allows for 20 minutes of flight, but of course slows the drone down. That being said, the drone's unique camera films in 4K at 24 frames per second using electronic stabilization. And it can also stream video at 720 pixels of vertical resolution, meaning it can send excellent video quality back to your tablet, phone, or headset. So now you can finally get those dizzying bird's eye shots you've been dreaming of. Even cooler is that Teal's onboard computer is able to run some pretty advanced applications. The processor is a NVIDIA Jetson TX1, which is actually designed to be an aerial deep learning computer. When Teal ships at the end of the year, it will feature apps for basic flight, waypoint navigation, live video streaming, and geofencing. Plus, it'll also have a live video tracking app to follow a subject visually. And to all the programmers out there, get ready to squeal with delight. Teal will ship with a software development kit. So get ready to program some cool apps for this speedy drone.
Hamburg-based Safshay, the maker of one of the world's fastest electric surfboards, has developed the Lampo Air inflatable jet drive surfboard that is controlled using a wireless handheld controller. The surfboard features a modular design, meaning you can swap the jet drive between 4 different hull styles, from a lie-atop bodyboard to a 6.5-foot surfboard. The company opted for an inflatable design to make transport and storage easier. In fact, the Air packs down into a 2-piece set that can easily fit into a car trunk. Gone are the days of trailers and roof racks. Because the electric jet drive is not collapsible, it was built into a separate module which fastens to the hull before hitting the waves and removes when ready to leave the beach. Now let's talk speed. The jet drive's 15 horsepower motor allows the Air to partake in 40 minutes of fun at a top speed of 29 miles per hour before the lithium battery needs to be recharged. Juicing up the battery pack takes between 1 to 2 hours, just enough time to enjoy lunch and build a sandcastle before heading back out to catch some gnarly waves. Unfortunately, there is one downside. The surfboard launched just last year for a steep price of almost $11,000. So maybe it's not exactly the most practical purchase, but I definitely encourage that rich uncle of yours to check one out before the end of summer.
Travel can be a chore. We've all been stuck trying to make an airport connection that is on the very opposite side of the airport. I'm looking at you, LaGuardia. But unfortunately, our heavy luggage, backpacks, and purses slow us down. Well, one innovator has decided enough is enough. No more sweating through airport terminals. Kevin O'Donnell decided to invent the MotoBig, which is part carry-on suitcase and part motorized vehicle. All users need to do is jump on the built-in seating area and put their feet up on the pull-out pegs and hit the throttle to go. I will admit, riders look pretty goofy while zipping around on the 19-pound bag, but it's actually pretty useful. The designers were able to retain 85% of the interior while designing the carry-on, meaning all the parts used had to be very small while also being very powerful. In fact, the 200-watt electric motor is capable of zooming 6 miles through airport terminals at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour on a single charge. And for those of you who are bad drivers like me, the motorized luggage features a dual braking system to hopefully prevent any crashes. Plus, according to the developer, it's FAA and TSA compliant, so you can actually fly with it. So if you're under 260 pounds, check out the team's Indiegogo campaign today, and you can be one of the first users traveling to your destination in style.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them on an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Abby Dean, and this has been your Engineering Newswire. Bye.